Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and safe at your home. So yesterday we have done the read and write the numbers up to 1000. I hope the concept was clear. So today we will do the expanded form. Today we will do the topic of expanded form. What is the expanded form? Expanded form. Expanded form of a number is written by breaking down the number according to the place value of each digit. Expanded form of a number is written by breaking down the number according to the place value of each digit. It means expanded form इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि हम नंबर्स को ब्रेक डाउन करके लिखते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू उनकी प्लेस वैल्यू कि जैसे लाइक वी हैव अ नंबर ऑफ 36. So we write here the expanded form of 36 is 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. So 30 plus 6 or 3 tens plus 6 ones. Clear? Earlier we have done 2-digit expanded form. And now we will do the 3-digit expanded form. So suppose we have a number is 328. We have a number is 328. Firstly we write the place value. 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place and the 3 is in hundreds place. So what is the expanded form of this number? The expanded form of this number is 3 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 8 ones, or we write also 300 plus 20 plus 8. Clear? This is the expanded form of this number. In this number 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place and 3 is in hundred place. So we write here 3 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 8 ones, or we write here also in numbers 300 plus 20 plus 8. This is the expanded form of this number. We take another example. Another number is 675. Another 3-digit number is 675. So 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place and 6 is in hundred place. 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place and 6 is in hundred place. So we write here 6 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 5 ones. तो हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? पहले हम 6 का सबसे पहले हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. जब हम एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लिखते हैं तो 6 कौन से प्लेस पे? 100 प्लेस पे, 7 टेंस प्लेस पे, 5 वंस प्लेस पे. So we write also in numbers 600 plus 70 plus 5. This is the expanded form of 675. 675. 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place and 6 is in hundred place. So the expanded form of this number is 600 plus 7 tens plus 5 ones, or 600 plus 70 plus 5. Clear? We take another example. Another number is 755. Number is 755. So in 755, 5 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, and 7 is in hundred place. So we write here the expanded form. Expanded form of this number is 7 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 5 ones. In numbers, we write here 700, 700 plus 5050 and 5. So this is the expanded form of the number. This is the number 755 and this is the expanded form of this number 700, 5 tens and 5 ones, or 700 plus 50 plus 5. This is the expanded form and this is the short form. Short form means कि हमने नंबर जो हमारे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में नंबर था इसको हमने एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखा. तो ऐसे ही हमारे पास एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म्स होती हैं, तो इसको हम वापस कैसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. 700 है तो 7 short form of this number is 7 is in 100 place, so we write here 750. 5 is in tens place, 5 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. This is the short form of this expanded form. This is the short form of this expanded form. This is the expanded form and this is a short form. Clear? The next topic is successor. Successor means the number which comes just after a number is called the successor. Successor means कि जो number बिल्कुल just after, it means we have a number is 26 और just उसके बाद का नंबर हमारे पास होता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, सक्सेसर. कैसे? सक्सेसर में क्या करते हैं, हम हमेशा +1 करते हैं. क्या करते हैं सक्सेसर में? +1. Earlier we have done successor with 2 digits. Today we will do successor with 3 digits. So we have a number is 258. So successor of this number is +1. Successor means +1. The successor of this number is 8 and 1 9, 5 and 2. It means the number which comes just after a number. 258 के बिल्कुल just बाद वाला number आया है 259. So the successor of 258 is 259. We take another number. Another number is 563. So what is the successor of this number? The successor of this number is +1, 3, 1, 4, 6 and 5. The successor of this number is 564. The successor of 563 is 564. Clear? Next topic is predecessor. Predecessor means the number which comes just before a number is called the predecessor. It means the number बिल्कुल उससे एक नंबर पहले वाला. Like we have a number is 74. तो 74 से just before यानी कि 73. कैसे? Predecessor means -1. So 4 - 1 is 3 and the number is 73. The predecessor is 73. 74 का predecessor क्या हो गया? 73. So earlier we have done with 2-digit numbers. So today we will do with 3-digit numbers. So we take number 678. The predecessor of 678 is -1. 678 में -1 करेंगे. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 and 6. So answer is 677. The predecessor of 678 is 677. We take another number. 856. 856. The predecessor of this number is -1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 and 8. The predecessor of 856 is 855. Predecessor means -1 or successor means +1. Clear? And the next topic is between. Between means कि अब हमें बताना है कि the number which comes between this to this number, कि हमारे जो दो नंबर्स हैं उनके बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है between. जैसे we have a number 432 and the number is 434. We have a number 432 and 434. The number which comes in between 432 and 434 is 433. This is the between number. इससे पहले between का क्या होता है? एक होता है हमारा predecessor, एक होता है हमारा successor. तो जो नंबर between होते हैं यानी जो बीच में क्या नंबर आना है, इसको हम इस तरह से फिल करते हैं कि 432 से आगे वाला और 434 के पीछे वाला नंबर. जो इसका 434 से एक नंबर कम और 432 से एक नंबर ज्यादा यानी predecessor 430. Like suppose we have a number 647. So and the other number is 649. 647 and 649. The number which comes in between, the numbers which comes in between 647 or 649 is 648, because 648 is predecessor of 649 and successor of 647. Clear? We take another number 891 and 893. So the numbers comes between is 892. 892 is successor of 891 and 892 is predecessor of 893. Between, it means कि जो नंबर बीच में आता है इन दोनों के उसको कहते हैं between. तो between के लिए suppose we have a question. Write the numbers which comes in between the given numbers. हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन है कि इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच के नंबर लिखो. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? इस नंबर से एक आगे वाला नंबर और इस नंबर से एक पीछे वाला नंबर. तो जो इनके सेंटर में नंबर आता है उसको हम कहते हैं between. Clear? Write the number in between. So students, today we learn about the expanded form, short form, before, after and between. So I hope you all understand the topics. Thank you. Have a nice day.